Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make protein powder with roasted chana. First, gather your ingredients, focusing on high-quality roasted chickpeas. This process is surprisingly simple and offers a fresh, natural alternative to store-bought options. You'll save money and have complete control over what goes into your body. We'll cover everything from selecting the best chana to the final grinding process, ensuring you get a smooth, effective protein powder. To begin, you'll need about 500 grams of roasted chana, also known as roasted chickpeas. It's crucial that these are unsalted and ideally without their skins for the best texture. If you want to boost the nutritional profile and add a subtle nutty flavor, consider including about 10 grams of almonds. Make sure all your ingredients are completely dry before moving to the next step, as any moisture can affect the powder's consistency and shelf life. Even if your chana is pre-roasted, a quick light roast on low heat for about 5 minutes can enhance its flavor and ensure it's perfectly dry. If adding almonds, roast them alongside the chana. After roasting, spread the ingredients on a tray and let them cool down entirely. This prevents clumping during grinding. Once cool, transfer them to a high-speed blender and process until you achieve a very fine, consistent powder, similar to flour. Once your protein powder is finely ground, transfer it to an airtight container. Proper storage is key to maintaining its freshness and potency. Keep it in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight, and it should last for up to 3 months. You can easily add 1 to 2 tablespoons to smoothies, milk, or even your baking recipes for a convenient protein boost. And for a fantastic way to keep your kitchen clean, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum link in the description, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.